in school in those days, and it wouldn't be permitted now, our teachers used to tell us, to the Italian children, to the Jewish children, when you go home, tell your parents to speak English to you. Don't let them speak, in their native language. You have to learn English. And I'd come home, and of course my mother speaking Yiddish to me, I wouldn't dare say to her, don't speak to me. When she put the radio on, it was Yiddish, but WEVD was all Yiddish. I'd say, Mom, you want to listen to another station? She'd say, for us. What kind of thing? So I don't know how, I had friends who would tell their mothers not to, the teacher said you have to speak English, Now they couldn't get away with that.